These days, most of the companies are evaluating if and how they can implement or at least experiment with AI and especially with generative AI. One of the concerns companies have is around the cost of AI models, especially in these circumstances when everyone is worried about FinOps, cost cutting, and cost optimization. Having an AI model which is very expensive, it's not really viable. So this is a question which many organizations are wondering. But the reality is that you don't have to build a model or machine learning model from the scratch. You can simply customize a pre-trained foundation model, and that's about it. We all know that training a machine learning model can be very resource intensive, and I think the concerns of companies is valid there, but they don't have to do it from the scratch as I just mentioned. Also, building a large language model requires a lot of data, computing power, and time, which will be a barrier for people who want to train their own models but don't have the resources to do so. There are a number of ways to customize an already trained foundation model. This can be a good option for people who want to use machine learning but do not have the resources to train their own models. These Uber models are pre trained on massive amounts of data and can be fine tuned to perform specific tasks or cater to specific industries. So the way I think this will work is that companies will have a large data set and then they will get a pre-trained model and simply point that model and fine tune that model on the top of those large data sets. You can also use cloud-based machine learning platforms that offer scalable infrastructure and pre-built tools and frameworks for model development. These platforms can help reduce the computational burden of training your own models and provide access to pre-trained models and APIs. But beware, this can also get fairly expensive pretty soon. I hope that this was useful. If you have any insight on this, please put it in the comments. Thank you.